My dear friends, let's talk how to defeat corona. It has spread all over the other countries. It has already caused its devastating effect all over the world, and this process is still continuing. No one knows about what is likely to happen in time to come. In view of COVID pandemic all over the world and also increasing cases in our CRPF, our Director Medical, Dr. H.L. Raskaran, has taken a lead role in creating awareness and preparedness to fight COVID-19 with his visionary approach. There are various guidelines issued from Medical Directorate on COVID-19. Here is gist of few of them. We can fight any strong enemy if we concentrate and understand the two things of any enemy. Every enemy has its strong points and also weak points. Strong points we need to understand for our protection from its damaging effect. Its weak point we need to understand to attack and destroy it. So let us understand our new enemy COVID-19. Coronavirus is a round ball-shaped structure with spikes projecting in all directions. From its covering, spikes consist of protein by which it enters the throat and lung cells and fiercely multiply there. Its covering consists of fat and its core consists of RNA material, its genetic material. Its fatty capsule easily gets dissolved and destroyed in soap and detergent water. This virus is highly contagious and communicable and highly pathogenic, causing large number of deaths. It has surpassed the contagiousness of all other infecting viruses, bacteria, and all other infecting organisms so far seen among human beings in past. It enters our body by inhalation of droplets and aerosols discharged by infected persons while coughing, sneezing, laughing, and by high voice talk. Secondly, the droplets and aerosols settle down on the surfaces after some time and further sticks to our hands or other body parts when come in physical contact. So far it accesses onto our skin, it cannot penetrate it unless some breach abrasion on skin is there. When it reaches its mouth, nose, eyes and it enters the body, causes disease to infected person. So what is its strongest point? It is highly contagious, communicable and highly pathogenic to cause a large number of deaths among human beings. This is its strongest point. We can protect ourselves from its strong point by social distancing, putting mask on face and gloves in hand and frequently washing hands or sanitizing hand. Now let's know what is its weak point. Its outer covering is made up of fat and it can be destroyed by soap, detergent water and by 70% alcohol. This is its weak point. Therefore, though we have protected our mouth, nose and eyes by mask and goggles, but still if it has gained the access on your body parts and clothing, we can destroy it by frequent hand wash or sanitizing the hand with hand sanitizer. While returning home, sanitize the hand before opening the main gate. Sanitize shoes with 1% sodium hypochlorite solution before entering the house. After entering house, wash hand with soap and water thoroughly for 20 seconds. Remove your glasses, purse, watch, etc. and sanitize with 70% alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Then enter the bathroom, prepare detergent solution and dip all the clothes in that solution. Don't wash your face directly with plain water. Apply first soap solution and then wash your face. Thereafter, have a thorough bath applying soap all over the body. This practice should be repeated whenever we are going out from our house for any reason and returning back. By doing this, we can protect ourselves from this powerful enemy and able to contain the spread of COVID-19. Now we will talk about immune system. What is immune system? When any infection enters our body, there is a defense mechanism in our body which comes into action to fight against the infecting organism, so that this defense mechanism can defeat the infection and protect the body from the ill effect of the infection. The immune system consists of WBC, certain other cells and antibodies. Antibodies are produced in the due course of time, that is after about a week. These antibodies will protect us from ill effect of infection. The outcome of the infection result on the three factors. 1. The virulence, extreme hostility or harmfulness of the virus. More the virulent organism, it will try to overcome the body defense system. It will likely to weaken our immune system, and severe disease is likely to manifest in the infected person. And that's people with weak immune system and having comorbidity get infected soon. Number 2, quantum of infecting organism. More the quantity of infecting organism is there at the time of infection, more severe disease is likely to happen. In case very small quantity of infecting organism enters into body, there may not be any consequential effect of the infection, but in due course of time, antibody will be produced which will protect the body in future by same pathogenic organism. The third, our immune system. Stronger the immune system, less likely to manifest serious disease, mild disease or no disease. Therefore, the immune system for our body has to play a very vital role of defending our body from the ill effect of infection. Therefore, strong immune system is desirable to protect ourselves from any infection. At present, we are combating with a very virulent organism, COVID-19, in which certain cases where immune system of the individual is not strong enough can cost with the life of the individual, like in case of kids, old aged, and in case of comorbidities like diabetes, hypertension, cancer and chronic diseases. Therefore, we have to be very careful and strengthen our immune system. The factors which are responsible to influence our immune system need to be kept in mind, and we have to take care seriously to strengthen it up. It was just to explain in lay terms about the importance of knowledge about role of immune system to protect. Now let's know the factors which reduce the strength of immune system. Like any comorbid disease, low blood sugar level or long hour of empty stomach, long exhaustive spell without rest, higher age group, age 60 years and above, pregnant ladies, anxiety, stress, less sleep adversely affect immune system, increases the risk of heart disease, diabetes. So take adequate 6 to 8 hours sleeps per night. Poor dental hygiene weakens immune system. Have good dental hygiene. Improper diet, junk food, fast food weakens our immune system. Take fresh foods. Drinking too much alcohol also weakens immune system. Drinking sugary aerated drinks also reduce our immune system. What are the immune boosting factors? Like citrus fruits, grapefruits, oranges, lemon, they all have vitamin C, so increases our immune system. Red bell peppers, that is rich in vitamin C, beta carotene, broccoli, which is rich in vitamin A, C, E and antioxidants. Garlic, rich in zinc and allicin, they all boost our immune system. Ginger, spinach, rich in vitamin C. Yogurt, almond, fish, green tea all have antioxidant properties. Turmeric, anti-inflammatory. Papaya, which contains vitamin C, papain. Kiwi fruit, which is rich in vitamin C. They all boost our immune system. Poultry products and protein-rich food boost our immune system, which can have 2 eggs per day, or person who don't take eggs can have extra dal, paneer or soya bean. Sunflower seeds, flax seeds. Frequent washing also preserve immune system. Exercise and meditation help in reducing anxiety and stress. As far as possible, these things may be brought in habit and the set eatables be included in the diet. By doing so, our immune system will be strengthened up. At last, I would like to say that if we thoroughly understand these instructions and strictly follow the procedure, I am sure we will definitely be able to protect ourselves from ill effect of COVID-19 and will defeat the enemy to the extent saving our valuable lives. Jai Hind.